Airbnb. Subway was mad confusing. Don't know if I can live like that. We're at, I don't know if they can hear me, but we're at the next Airbnb. We are currently in Notting Hill. I will show you. We're heading to go get food because we're hungry, because we walked so much. Whoa-sies. Okay, we are at Buckingham Palace. I think this is absolutely crazy. You can't see it, but there's Big Ben further down. OMG. Look at this. We're literally Buckingham Palace. And my outfit of the day. I do look crazy though. This is the time. Good morning. Okay, we just finished getting ready. We are gonna go head out and get some coffee. It's day 2 in London. After the pub last night, we ended up just watching Friends, and then had some snacks, fell asleep. You know, it's been exhausting, so whatever. Okay, so we're gonna go get some coffee, and then we're gonna head over to Central London to go do all the touristy crap, you know, Big Ben, Borough Market, I think the National Gallery Museum. So I will see you when we're on our way to the cafe. Woo! Fit check. Just kidding. It's honestly just a cardigan and some jeans. walking to the National Gallery. Day 3 in London. Oh, no puede. It's day 3 in London. We're heading out to go get a coffee or a matcha. But we're headed to, oh, hold on. Okay. So we're headed to Warner Studios today, which I'm very excited about. But we're gonna get a coffee first before we head on our hour drive.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the dream.
Where are we? None other than Warner Brothers Studio.
Keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel.
We're making our way inside. You can't even see me, but this is kind of crazy. Look at this floor. We're waiting for our time. Got a sandwich. We're at the Wands floor. I look crazy, but we just finished eating. Got my little butterbeer cup up of you.
Standing in front.
Yes. Okay, we're done. We're out of here. That was fun. Thoughts, comments, concerns?
Training.
Yes. I was talking about the studio. It was fun. Okay. Well, we'll wait for the bus. See you there. Dropped off all our stuff. Now we're headed to the store so that we can find a coat because it's supposed to get colder. And yeah.